Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize frame.io reviews for faster post-production approvals, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your frame.io account. Navigate to the project containing the content you wish to review. Select the specific video or asset that requires authorization. Click on the Share button located on the top right corner of your screen. In the sharing options, choose the collaborators you want to authorize for reviews. Make sure to set the appropriate permissions for each collaborator. To do this, select their role from the drop-down menu. For review purposes, ensure they have can comment or can review access. Next, customize the message to brief your collaborators on what to focus on. Here, you can include deadlines or specific feedback requests to streamline the process. Once you've made the selections, click Send Invite. Your collaborators will receive an email notification inviting them to review the asset. After they accept the invite, they will have access to the asset directly from their frame.io account. To check on the progress of reviewer comments, return to the project dashboard. You will see notifications for any new comments or feedback your collaborators provide. Once comments are submitted, you can address them directly in the frame.io interface. Responding to comments is essential for maintaining a clear line of communication. As your collaborators review, make any necessary edits based on their feedback. When the revisions are complete, you can re-upload the asset for final review if needed. After final adjustments, repeat the sharing process if further approvals are required. Keep track of all feedback and keep your collaborators updated throughout the process. Utilizing frame.io efficiently can significantly speed up your post-production approvals. Stay organized and proactive for a smoother workflow overall. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.